Hey Sugar Wugas, I'm back at y'all again with another video, and once again I am home. You know I had to come at y'all again with crabs. Let me say my grace. Get started. Alright. Amen. Okay, so we had a little get together yesterday. Yeah, just on a regular day. That's how we doing. Baltimore, Maryland. That's just one table. And here's the other table. Crabs, all day, all the time. Get out here. See? Just cause, nothing special. Cause that's what we do in Baltimore, Maryland.
Are you pregnant?
You know, just a lot of my friends, childhood friends, 40 years plus of friendship, and we just did it. We just got crabs, and sometimes we just do that on the regular. Sometimes we just get crabs just to be getting crabs. So this is some of the crabs that was left over, and I wanted to share with you, my Sugar Wugas, okay? If you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload another video. And if you're always coming by, thank you for always showing Sugar Mama some love, okay? Let me go ahead and get started. You know I said I got crabs here, but look at this. This is from Warrior Farms. Warrior Farms chicken. I'm about to eat a baby piece of chicken. Baby chicken, y'all. Look at that. Baby. This is something different. I don't eat one. It's good. It's not the main thing, you know. It's a little piece of chicken. That's all. Baby good. Oh, it's hot. It's real outside. It's real. No, it's not pretend. It's die outside, y'all. You better stay in the house. Don't go out. You ain't got to.
Might not be that hot everywhere else.
Well, in Baltimore, Maryland, it's hot. Stay in the house. For real. I have all meals. These are all meals, y'all. I have lemonade. I have my little baby Pepsi. You only know I'm gonna have my Pepsi. And I got water. And why I gotta have so much to drink? Told y'all, it's hot. It's hot. And I ain't gonna keep saying it, but it is. I don't know why I cut off, but it cut off. But I'm back. Alright. Like I said, I usually start with my legs first. Now I got butter sauce here. It's just regular butter with some garlic powder and some. I got a little ginger in it. Obey. Just regular butter sauce. I put together. Yeah. How y'all doing today? Y'all better go get y'all some crabs. Good dog. Oh, see how this. It's good. It's good. It is good. Comment below and let me know. Tell me if y'all eat crabs on a regular. Which ones do y'all prefer, males or females?
Females.
Yep. Comment below, please. Say no.
Females have a sweeter taste.
Yeah, that's true. Females have sweeter taste. And it got more stuff in it. I like to eat babies. No, that one stuff in the females. And they said it was the eggs. That's in the female. I showed y'all that before on one of my last videos. Go check them out. See, that's why it takes me so long to get in the crab. Because I eat the little ones. See how that it got meat in these little legs. I get that. I get all of it. Get all of it. That's a crab eater. Let's get that meat. See, look. See? Meat out of the little legs. Y'all better get all that meat. No food go to waste. No food go to waste. I think I'm having issues, but I'm gonna work with it. I'm gonna work with it, y'all. Give y'all what I can give y'all. And acting up, and I ain't even get in the first grade yet. Got to figure it out. Still doing this, it's my leg. Leg. That's out of that leg. That's how you do. You just sit here and eat your crab. See? That. Get that out. Side. Yep. A little napkin. See? A little butter sauce, look. Alright. Chicken. Outside. Now y'all got open this crab. Mayo. Take all the stuff off of it. Dead man. Yep. We call this the dead man. Yeah. Don't eat that. Do not eat that. Do not eat that. Look at that. Now this in the mail, look at that. What is that? But guess what? I eat that. Here, want some?
Yes, I do. What's a crab?
I'm talking about the stringy thing.
No, I don't want a stringy thing.
I'm gonna show you.
Nah, I don't want that. I know what you're talking about. I don't.
Yeah.
No, don't like that.
Why? Here. I'm like,
I might eat that. You don't even know what that is.
I don't, but it was good. Look,
It's crab beans.
mustard.
That's not mustard.
Yo, let me break this open. Get in this. That meat. See, there's a lot of meat in there. A lot of meat. See that? That's meat. Oh, it fell in me. You know what? A lot of y'all say it's a lot of work to eating these crabs, right? But I love it. That sauce is good. I stepped outside. You know I usually have my beloved sauce. So, oh yeah, that's good. It's really good. Oh yeah, look, let me show y'all again. Ah, look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. What is it? What is it? Here, look, take it. Good piece for you. Look at that. I gotta do the most, don't I? But who don't slurp and all that stuff when you're eating crabs? You're supposed to. I don't know. You can't eat crabs quiet. By slurping stuff. Yeah. My thing giving me problems. I'm trying to tell y'all, it is real over here. Giving me problems. So I'm trying to share my crabs with y'all. Just want to be great. Just want to be great. Put that out there, home. Sorry if y'all hear the air conditioner in the background. Got to have the air on because it's hot, okay? Cannot have the air conditioner not have it on. What should I eat next, y'all? Y'all. Want some? Want some? Oh, y'all finally gonna see me get into another crab, y'all. I'm putting all that over there. Let's do this one. Let's do this one. Man, get all that meat out them little legs. They got me. I'm sleeping on them. Is it real wet? How you do it? Even if I wanted to move fast, I couldn't move fast, y'all. It's hard. I can't just get up. I can't. It's like I'm stuck right here. You gotta make it work. Make it work for the Suga Wugas. Make it work. See me? Okay. 1 minute. Need to go. Try to finish it, y'all. It ain't making me full. It's just, I don't know. Oh, we got it. Next stop. Sauce is good. How you doing? Something new? Yeah. Get this. Getting all that meat, y'all. Get all that meat. I'm kind of having problems in the beginning of this video because I don't want to cut no. All of it. butter and the garlic and some ginger and Old Bay, not too bad of a sauce. And also, comment below if y'all can eat crabs every day. I want to know. Woo! What? Wrong. Meat off of there. Don't need no meat, y'all. Not me on. Eat. Look at that. That's good when they come out like that, y'all. Neat. Good. You know. Oh, that's good. Yeah. Woo! See me making a mess, y'all? Make a mess.
I can't see nothing.
I can see something.
What you see? What you see? What you got? What you need? Where you going with your headphones on?
A little bit of meat out of there. That's meat on there. Good ounce.
on. Okay.
Don't touch it, because I'm doing the thing. Want some meat?
Where's my shell? Where's my
You want to say
shell?
hi to the Suga Wugas? Come here.
Oh, yes.
Sit down. Look. Say hi. Hi to the Suga Wugas. Be careful.
Hey.
You say hi to the Suga Wugas. Say hi, Suga Wugas.
Hi.
You want some meat?
Oh, no. No,
Okay. All right. All right. All
I
right.
think he gotta go potty.
He said no thanks. Mason's a big boy. Get that out. Look at that. Okay, okay. I see it. Look at this. Get that out. Oh, that's a good piece of. Go to mommy. Yeah, good meat. That good meat, y'all. Over here, over here. Okay, all right. Meat. But now he wants some. He's gonna say good thank you. Now he wants some. How you gonna do my meat like that? You don't want it? Lord, and then Winston up. Thank you. Y'all, I'm about to sign out, y'all. About to sign out. You know I had to come and show y'all a little something today. Right? But I'm gonna finish eating these though. I am gonna finish eating these. Nah, I don't know. I am gonna finish eating them. Mason getting a little active and I'm scared he might knock y'all over. He behind y'all. Uh-oh. Where's she from? Ah, I see y'all.
Come on.
Where you going?
Okay.
Ooh, all that. Look at that. Ah. Put some of this Pepsi. Let y'all go. Look at that. I got these two. Woo! Excuse me. I'm home.
That's not the way that
I am home. Huh?
That's not the way that God wanted you to do it.
That's not the way. Nope. That is not the way. That is not the burp that I was asked to do. Because I think somebody want me to do some type of sexy burp. How you do that? How you do a sexy burp? I'm for real. If y'all know how to do a sexy burp, show me. Let me know. Because I think that's what's happening. I think that's what's being asked of me. To do a sexy burp. I don't know. But I'm going to let y'all go on that note. Comment below if y'all understand or know what a sexy burp is. Let me know about it. Okay? I always think these are so cute. Look at that. Little teeny weeny thing. Little swallow. Alright, y'all. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to thumbs up the video. Share, comment. Let me know what you want me to do, my sugar wuggers, on my next video or something. I don't know. Give me some suggestions. If not, I'll just come and do something. I don't know. But anyway, here's a hug for you guys. And see you on my next video.